Hi everyone, how you all doing? I hope you're healthy and safe at home, right? Please stay at home. At Wine Aspects, we've been thinking this past couple of days and we come up with a lovely option after so many people have asked us if we can help them out with vocabulary, English vocabulary and other points. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some worksheets on our webpage, www.wineaspects.info, and we are going to publish the answers some days afterwards on our social networks, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. So you've got to follow us obviously on at Wine Aspects, and keep an eye out for the worksheets on our webpage. Okay, keep safe, stay at home, we'll get through this together. See you later.